How to log into MyCigna Provider Portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your MyCigna Provider Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and head over to the search bar and search for Cigna Provider Portal. Hit enter, and after you hit enter, there you will see Cigna's official website. All you have to do is head over to this option that says healthcare provider. So here you will see an option for Cigna for healthcare professionals. So just tap on this. After you tap on this one right here, it will redirect you to this page where you can basically log in. So there you can see welcome to Cigna for healthcare professionals. All you have to do is type in your username. If you've forgotten your username, there's an option to reset it as well. And also for password, there is an option to reset it. All you have to then do is type in your password and tap on the login button. After that, you'll get logged in into your account, and that's basically it. If you don't have an account yet, you can also register from this very page. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.